up guys, welcome back to the Rhythm Dubs. In today's video, I have a special guest, Pangong, and we're going to be doing a dance. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Thank you, don't forget to like and subscribe. We out. Peace.